So now बच्चे, the next topic of consumer protection is the levels of courts which are available to you. The Consumer Protection Act is 1986, but after the amendment made in the act in 2000, the council are constituted of three different levels: district level, state level. Under the act, there is a provision of three-tier judicial machinery to redress the grievances of consumers in a simple, speedy and inexpensive way. There are बच्चे three types of levels. There are three levels according to which the consumer courts are working. First is बच्चे district forum. It is working at district level. Then state commission, it is working at state level. And national commission, it is working at national level. So there are three-tier judicial machinery or redressal agencies under the Consumer Protection Act. So first we are going to study about the district forum. Which is district forum? According to Consumer Protection Act, state government can set up one or more district forum in each district. In each district, there can be one or more. Depends upon the population and density of the district. Main features of district forum are as under. So there are three members including one presiding officer. Three members, one presiding officer who is the head of the level. Then of these, one must be a lady member. There should be at least one lady member. They are appointed by the state government. The presiding officer must have the qualification of a district judge. So this is the first main feature at district level is that there should be three members, one presiding officer, including one presiding officer, one must be a lady. Among these three members, one member should be a lady, and then they are appointed by the state governments. And the presiding officer should have the qualification of district judge. This was the first main feature of district level. Then bache, next is district forum hears dispute involving a sum up to rupees 20 lakh. From 1 to 20 lakh, you can go directly to district forum. Complaint can be filed by the consumer or by a consumer association. If a single consumer is not capable enough to go to the court, then on behalf of the consumer associations can also go to the court and they can file a complaint. Then once the complaint is admitted, notice of it sent to the other party. Once you will approach the court and your case will be admitted, then the notice will be served to the another party that there is a case against you and you have to appear in the court. On examination, if it is provided that the goods are defective, the district forum can issue one or more of the following directives to the accused party. We have already done the remedies. Among those remedies, one or two directive can be passed by the court, like defect in the product removed, removal of defect, then defective product be replaced with the new one, replacement of the product. Then consumer may be refunded, refund in the price of the product. Then consumer may be paid compensation for the loss suffered by him. So these are the remedies available to you if the product is examined and it is found that the goods are defective. Then any of these can be the remedial measure given by the court. Last bache, if neither party is satisfied with the judgment of district forum, it can file appeal against it with the state commission within 30 days, and thereafter the order of the state commission can be cancelled before national commission and no further. Means if you are not satisfied, you can go within 30 days to the state commission. Okay bache, so this was your district forum. These consumer courts are working at three different levels. There are three different levels of consumer courts: district level, state level, national level. District level is called district forum, state level is called state commission, and national level is called national commission. There are three levels of consumer courts working in India. So first we have studied district forum, that there should be three members and including one presiding officer. Of these, one must be a lady member. Out of these three members, one must be a lady, and they are appointed by the state governments. The presiding officer must have the qualification of the district judge. So, the person who is heading the level, this forum, he should have the qualification of district judge. Then district forum hears dispute up to 20 lakhs. Once the complaint will be given, the notice will be served to another party. Anyone can file the complaint, consumer, or on behalf of this consumer association can also go. If the product is found defective, then these measures are available to you: removal of the defect, replacement of the product, refund of the money, or compensation. Then if you are not satisfied with the decision of district forum, you can within 30 days go to state commission. Now we will talk about state commission. One state commission is appointed by the state government, only one. There was an option, one or more district forum can be there in one district, but there will be one state commission in state, one single state in each state. Its main characteristics are as follows: it is also comprised of three members. 90% it is similar. Three members will be there, including one head, one presiding officer. Of these, one must be a lady. Out of these three, one must be a lady. They are appointed by state government. Till here, everything is similar. The person appointed as presiding officer must have the qualification of Honorable Justice of High Court. This is the only difference, bache. There was three members, there are three members, one presiding officer, one must be a lady, and they all are appointed by state governments, both these. But the difference is this, that presiding officer of district forum should have a qualification of district judge, whereas the presiding officer of state commission should have the qualification as a high court, as the judge of high court. And another difference is state commission redresses grievances involving a sum exceeding 20 lakh to 1 crore. It was from rupee 1 to 20 lakh, and here rupees 20 lakh to 1 crore. Rest everything is same. Once the complaint is admitted, notice will be served to another party. And if necessary, goods and services, goods are examined. If proved that defective, like the district forum, the state commission can also issue one or more directives of to the accused party, means accused party. These directives are same. If either the party is not satisfied with the decision of the state commission, it can file an appeal before the national commission within 30 days. If you are not satisfied with district forum, you will go to state commission within 30 days. If you are not satisfied with the state commission, you will go to national forum within 30 days. Then bache national commission. Little difference is there. It is appointed by the central government. These two were appointed by the state government, and this is appointed by the central government. Its main characteristics, it is having 5 members. It should have 5 members, bache, including the presiding officer. There were 3 members in both, and here you will have 5 members. One must be a lady, and they are appointed by central government. Only that person is eligible to become the presiding officer who possesses the qualification equivalent to the qualification of judge of Supreme Court. That was district judge, high court judge, and Supreme Court judge. It has a jurisdiction to hear complaints involving exceeding sums exceeding rupees 1 crore. Here 20 lakh to 1 crore, and now more than 1 crore will be heard in National Commission directly. Once the complaint is admitted, notice will be sent to another party. Like the state commission, national commission can also issue any of the directives to the accused party. Then if any party is not satisfied with the decision of National Commission, it can file an appeal with Supreme Court within 30 days, subjected to jurisdiction complaints involving a sum exceeding rupees 1 crore. So बच्चे three type of commissions are available to you: district forum, state commission, national commission. In National Commission, 5 members, including one presiding officer, one lady must be there. They are appointed by central government. And presiding officer should have qualification equal to the qualification of judge of Supreme Court. Here the sum is involved more than 1 crore. Rest two are ditto same in all the three. Once complaint will be there, notice will be served to another party, and if the products are defective, then any of the directive can be given. Then if you are not satisfied within 30 days, you can go to Supreme Court.